You know, when that request for a deep dive on metrology technicians landed in my inbox, uh, I got to admit, I wasn't exactly sure what to expect. Metrology, it sounded kind of mysterious.
It does have a certain intrigue to it, doesn't it? But it's more grounded than you might think. In simple terms, metrology technicians are like the unsung heroes of accuracy. They're the ones making sure that all those instruments we rely on in just countless industries are actually giving us reliable measurements.
Right, because even a tiny error in measurement could snowball into a massive problem down the line, especially with all the automated systems we rely on these days.
Exactly. Think about it. Manufacturing, healthcare, even something as complex as aerospace, a few millimeters off in a plane wing, an inaccurate dosage in medication, those could have really, really serious consequences. Metrology technicians are kind of like that last line of defense against those kinds of errors.
That's a heavy responsibility. So let's say this whole precision-driven life speaks to you. What's the reality of a career as a metrology technician actually like? We've got this great career guide from RoleCatcher. They even offer some AI-powered tools for job hunting. But first things first, is this actually a dream job? This guide has a pros and cons section, which I always appreciate.
It's always good to weigh both sides, right? On the plus side, RoleCatcher highlights the high demand for metrology technicians, which isn't surprising given, the increasing reliance on automation and this shrinking pool of skilled professionals in the field.
So it's a classic case of supply and demand, but working in a job seeker's favor this time. That's got to be good news for anyone considering this is a career path.
It is. And that translates into competitive salaries and excellent job security. After all, as technology advances and we rely even more on getting those precise measurements, the demand for skilled professionals who can ensure that accuracy, well, it's only going to grow.
Yeah, job security is always a big plus,
Yeah.
especially in today's job market. But we do have to address the other side of the coin here. What about the downsides? Does the guide gloss over those at all?
Not at all. The guide's very upfront about the challenges, and rightfully so. It points out that this career requires a really strong foundation in technical knowledge. You're going to be working with some pretty sophisticated instruments, so good grasp of math, physics, and engineering principles is essential.
Makes sense. You can't exactly be a guardian of accuracy without knowing the ins and outs of how things are measured in the first place.
Right. Precisely. It also requires a meticulous eye for detail and a tolerance for sometimes repetitive tasks. Calibration, it can be a meticulous process, but for those with the right mindset, it can be quite rewarding.
I can definitely see that because it kind of reminds me of like those artisans, the ones who spend hours just meticulously crafting something beautiful. It might be repetitive, but there's a real art to it.
Yeah.
But let's shift gears a bit here and talk about growth potential.
Yeah.
Where can someone actually go with a career like this?
That's a great question, and the guide actually outlines a pretty clear trajectory. Typically, you'd start as a junior metrology technician, kind of building your skills and knowledge from the ground up. Then, as you gain experience and expertise, you can progress to a senior metrology technician role.
So there's definitely room to climb the old career ladder. What about those certifications you mentioned earlier? Do those play a role at all in career advancement?
Absolutely. Earning certifications really demonstrates a commitment to professional development and can significantly boost your career prospects. We're talking about certifications like the CMT, that's Certified Metrology Technician, or the CCT, Calibration Technician. Those are industry-recognized credentials that really prove you've mastered those specific metrology skills and knowledge.
So it's like getting a stamp of approval from the metrology gods,
Yeah.
basically. So someone could start with just a basic understanding, work their way up, and eventually become a certified metrology technician, maybe even calibration technician. Sounds like a really tangible path for growth.
Exactly. And there are even more specialized certifications out there, like the CMTT, Certified Mechanical Test Technician, and the CM, Certified Manager of Metrology Quality. Those are for the folks who really want to reach the pinnacle of the profession.
Wow, there's a whole ladder to climb in this world, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's impressive how much depth there is to this field. Speaking of climbing ladders, this guide from RoleCatcher also mentions something about AI-powered tools for job hunting, right? I'm always down for a little technological boost.
Yeah. They have this really innovative suite of AI tools that are designed to, help you put your best foot forward. Think AI-powered resume optimization, where the tool will actually analyze your resume and suggest improvements to make it way more attractive to potential employers.
So it's like having a personal career coach, but digital
Mm.
and way more objective,
Yeah.
probably. I could see how that would be so helpful, especially in such a competitive job market.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just resume help. They even have AI-powered interview prep tools.
Okay, now that is impressive. What does an AI-powered interview prep tool even look like?
Well, imagine practicing your answers to common interview questions, but you're getting real-time feedback on your delivery, your clarity, the content. The AI analyzes your responses and offers suggestions for improvement. It can really help you refine those interviewing skills.
That's incredible. It's like having a personal interview coach right in your pocket. I can see how that would be invaluable for anyone, not just someone entering the metrology field.
You're right. These tools could be beneficial for anyone, trying to navigate their career. And what I find really interesting is that RoleCatcher, they offer a free version with basic features.
Okay, so you can test the waters before diving all in?
Exactly.
Makes a lot of sense, especially for someone just starting to explore the world of metrology or, even just career advancement in general.
Precisely. It's a low-risk way to see how these, AI-powered tools can really give you an edge. And from what we've seen, RoleCatcher seems like a pretty valuable resource for anyone who's serious about taking control of their career trajectory.
It sounds like it. Really does. Well, we've covered a lot of ground here, from the really crucial role these kind of unsung heroes play in ensuring accuracy to the career path itself, and even some cool tools to help you get started. But I kind of want to circle back to something we touched on earlier. You mentioned that even a tiny measurement error, it can have some pretty significant consequences.
Absolutely. And one example that really comes to mind is that Mars Climate Orbiter mission. Back in 1999,
Oh, right.
a simple mismatch of measurement units, like imperial versus metric, it caused the spacecraft to enter Mars's atmosphere at the wrong angle, which, well, it led to its destruction.
Yeah, that's a stark reminder of just how crucial accurate measurements are,
Yeah.
especially in fields like aerospace. Yikes.
Yeah, it really highlights the impact, often invisible, that these metrology technicians have, right? Their work, it ensures that bridges are built to withstand stress. It ensures that medical devices are delivering those precise doses, and it makes sure that spacecraft actually reach their destinations, even millions of miles away.
It's almost like they're the, I don't know, like guardians of our modern world in a way,
Yeah.
working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly, accurately. It's pretty amazing when you think about it.
Yeah, and it makes you think, doesn't it? In a world that's increasingly reliant on data and technology and precision, the role of a metrology technician is only going to become more vital. I mean, that's the only way to go, right?
It's an exciting field to be in, that's for sure. So to wrap things up here, if you're someone who thrives on accuracy,
Yeah.
you enjoy problem solving, and you want a career that has, real tangible impact, becoming a metrology technician just might be that perfect path for you. Because it's not just about measurement, it's about making sure that our increasingly complex world operates with precision and reliability. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll be the one ensuring our future Mars missions land exactly where they're supposed to.
Right. No pressure.
What, wouldn't that be something? It certainly would. This deep dive has been a fascinating journey into a field I knew very little about. And it's honestly incredible how much we rely on accurate measurements without even realizing it. So the next time you hear about a new technological marvel or a groundbreaking scientific discovery, just take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes of metrology. They're the ones ensuring that every measurement is spot on. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the devil is in the details, especially in the fascinating world of metrology.